Demonstration of automatic tracking using a camera platform. The tracking using advanced image processing requires relatively high CPU power. There is also an issue in that tracking becomes difficult if the target moves outside the camera's angle of view. With Murata's UWB module, it is possible to simply obtain distance and angle information relative to the communication counterpart. Demonstration. We install a UWB module in a camera platform. We use an UWB tag for the remote operation. We have set the camera to automatically track the tag by detecting its distance and angle. When we turn on the tag, the camera automatically turns to face its direction. Position detection is possible within a range of ± 60 degrees up, down, left, right, starting from the UWB module's antenna. Murata's UWB module enables applications such as tracking cameras, spotlights, and other applications.